As one drives through the Hamilton downtown area, it becomes apparent that there is a strong trend towards the revitalization efforts, making the area more vibrant and livable. A&A Masonry has also been participating in projects that are contributing to this endeavor. It has become common in recent decades to see buildings in a dilapidated condition, showing erosion, graffiti, and other elements contributing to a less than desirable appearance. However, Hamilton's downtown has been getting a major facelift. There have been exciting renovations bringing new life to the city center. In this video, you will see a project by A&A Masonry where the transformation of a historical building takes place in the heart of the city, contributing to the downtown rejuvenation. A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. This building restoration consisted of a few different areas to address for this building. There was the tiling of the front steps to 3 entranceways into the building. Also, the main entrance was an impressive heritage design that had damage from erosion and other elements that required restoration and protection with SurGuard. And finally, the rest of the outdoor wall surface on the main level was to be finished in stucco. A&A Masonry crews are very skilled in many aspects of building restoration and aesthetic surfaces and veneers to increase the appearance of any structure. In this case, tiling to front entrance steps is also something that this crew can do very aptly. There's a tremendous amount of detail to tile this step area to the customer specification. The design has to remain constant on all 3 steps, as well as the crew have to take the time and take care to ensure as they lay down the tiles that they're laid in a perfect symmetrical spot. Everything must be even and made to fit within the dimensions of each step, as well as taking into account tile dimensions too, so it ends up being a perfect job. The main front entranceway had been damaged with erosion as well as vandalized with graffiti. The areas of concrete that showed wear and tear damage needed to be built back up with hydraulic cement and then prepared for a few coats of SurGuard for a great restorative, long-lasting appearance that will protect it for decades. The top of the main level had ornate concrete designs crossing the building that also required preparation to be protected with SurGuard as well. After the concrete is prepped and areas of erosion are filled in, the crew then apply the SurGuard to the surface. As they brush it in, care is taken to ensure that the SurGuard is fully absorbed into all areas of the surface. This takes the time that it takes to ensure maximum protection, so no more water damage can take place, thus terminating the erosion cycle. The top of the main level where the ornate concrete design sits also required the SurGuard application. In this case, the crew required to access this level by using a hydraulic boom lift to be able to get to this area and attain a thorough application of the protective coating to the area as well. As you can see, the rest of the wall of the front of the building had also experienced vandalization on the existing stucco that required teardown and new stucco put in its place. All this required to be put in proper color coordination for a great professional appearance that is fitting for such a heritage building in a downtown setting. And now here is the full visualization after all elements have been completed, from the tiling of the different entranceways to the protection of the concrete entrance and the top of this level with SurGuard to the excellent stucco installation that blends in with the heritage designs of the building for a great appearance. This is yet another example of a great project that A&A Masonry has been involved in helping to restore and renew the downtown core of Hamilton back to the look that a great city deserves. So stay tuned for other videos showing great restoration projects in downtown Hamilton. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all kinds of information and education to help you make your home or building the best that it can be for many, many years in the future. To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.